So, good evening, Amreen. How are
Good
you?
evening,
How
yourself.
okay. Uh, Good to see you. You have groomed yourself very nicely for today's webinar.
Yes, good to see you too.
Okay.
How are
My
things there?
confidence, my confidence has increased just after looking your attire today.
Really, thank you. My pleasure.
Okay, okay. My pleasure. Also, it is my pleasure to have you in this webinar today. And good evening, all friends. Talking about the Share Skills Center for Training and Transformation and its online platform, which is Share Skills Online. We have started the program called as Sunday Skills with the organization, where what we do is that we bring experts from different fields. Let it be from career, let it be from healthcare industry, let it be from corporate trainings, let it be from examinations, let it be from a personal grooming industry. From each and every field, we bring the experts at this particular platform, and different experts share their knowledge, share their experience, share their opinions at this platform. So today we are with Amreen Luthra, and she is a very, can say, excellent coach for confident communication is her area of expertise, and the plus point that is entrepreneurship. She just started with her organization ALTS at the age of 21. See, entrepreneurship in India is not very famous, but I really appreciate our guest today that she started entrepreneurship and her own organization with a team at just the age of 21. It is really appreciable for that. So I really like that, Amreen. I personally, I personally like people into the entrepreneurship because. I also started with my organizations. Asha Career is there, Share Skills training, Share Skills online. But it took me a lot of time to come at this level. But it is really nice of you that you started entrepreneurship at the age of 21. That is really appreciable. And talking
Thank
about
you.
her, she has been into the training and coaching industry since last many years. Since 3 years, she is giving training and coaching into different multinational organizations such as TCS is there, Kellogg's is there. Then many educational and institutes are there, SP Jain, Thakur, all the very good brands she is associated with. And you can say that her live training sessions are very transformational. Means, see, there is a transformation rate. Everywhere people come, trainer trains the trainees, but ultimately the result is important. Now,
Right.
in her case, the transformational is results are, you can say, almost 100% transformation result. Okay, means a person is not feeling confident, person is not, you can say, confident in his communication. After interacting with her, after taking training under her, you can see 100% transformation under you. That is her specialty. So again, something very interesting and something
You're being
very,
so
you
sweet,
can say,
Vaibhav, today.
no, not sweet, but okay. And since the day I met her, I have been a fan of her, talking about her communication, talking about her confidence. And her confidence is, you will see when she will start speaking, you can see the confidence is bubbling from everywhere. Okay, so let's over to Amreen now. Okay, let's start.
Yes, that was extremely sweet. I'm so overwhelmed right now, Vaibhav. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
thank you,
I am
thank
a
you,
fan
thank
of
you.
yours too. I mean, come on, you did not say things about yourself like what you've been doing and the companies you have, and now Chefkers Online. I mean, it's my pleasure to
Okay,
be here. I absolute pleasure.
okay. Thank you, thank you.
So, welcome everybody. I cannot see you guys, but I think there's a thumbs up and thumbs down for you. So, if you have questions for me, you can write down in the comment section. I would definitely try to answer them before we end this conversation. And whenever, if I ask you something, if if you can answer like with a thumbs up, it would be really nice. So, Vaibhav, shall we start? Are people joining in, or shall we wait?
Yes. People are joining in, but let's wait for some more time. I'll
Okay,
be also starting with a watch party. I'll be also starting with a watch party in some time. So
okay, all
okay,
right.
another part is that so people, if you want. Talking about myself, जैसे थोड़ा सा अमरीन मैम ने बोला कि आपके बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं, so I started with the organizations, and I'm also a competitive exam trainer. Whatever competitive exams are there, government job training, government exams are there. For that, I'm a coach. I'm also an NLP trainer. There are some NLP practices I do, public workshops I conduct whenever it is there. And you can say that digital marketing expert, I'm also there. I'm a digital marketing expert also. Some webinars I'm keeping in upcoming sessions. And that's it. Now this via this share skills online, students are my base. This lot of students follow me, and for my students and also for my you can say participants, those who have been there into our training programs. So for them, I started with this organization, with this initiative, Sunday Skills, where all the people from different backgrounds come and will be sharing their expertise and all. So over to you, Amrin. Now let's start now.
Okay. Yes. Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Amreen Luthra. To give you a little background about me, I am a life coach and a corporate trainer. So right now, corporate training is not happening. Really sad. We've come to a virtual world where we conduct trainings with our students, our teams, our participants, and I would like to welcome all of you. So today we're talking about confidence and communication. These are two of my favorite words in the entire world. And trust me, you wouldn't know how important or how life changing these two terms have been for me. So I actually started as a public speaker when I was 16. There's something called as Toastmasters International, and I joined Toastmasters International when I was 16 as a public speaker there. From there, I moved on to training these NGO kids for personality development English. From there, I was picked up from a guy who wanted me to train an MPA school professionally, and that was my first paid assignment as such. And so I realized that communication is something one of my favorite subjects to teach or train people in, because I mean communication is something which you'd need wherever you are, whatever stage of life you are. If you're starting, if you're ending, if you're right in the middle, it will actually save you. And confidence with that would take you to much crazier heights. So today we will be discussing with you a little tips and tricks, Weber and I, about how can you be confident and communicate, and a great communicator along with that. So Weber, do you have some questions for me? How are we gonna start?
Okay. See, Amrin, now there are lots of training programs into the communication. Most of the people are talking about the communication. So, my question to you is that, see, as a normal person, see, I'm not here. I'm not asking the questions from a trainer's point of view. But suppose I'm a normal student. So, what
Right.
exactly the communication is according to you? What exactly the communication and why it is important? Is it really important? If you're my question is it really important if I'm performing good in my academics and all those things, I'm getting the job and all? So is communication as a weightage, and what exactly the communication is? That is my question.
Absolutely, absolutely. See, I understand why would somebody want to learn communication, and it's always you hear this word so loosely everywhere nowadays that
Okay.
it looks like everybody's teaching communication, everybody's talking about communication, but what really is communication? To give you scientific numbers, it is said that we communicate 70% of the time, okay? And if that communication doesn't go well, that leads to conflicts. So, how many of us have conflicts in our life? If you said
Exactly.
yes,
I have many conflicts. Means as a entrepreneur, as a business person, I have to manage a team of people, students, parents, employees. Definitely, I can tell you that lots of problem if communication is not good.
absolutely. And imagine if the communication goes wrong, all of your raita is gonna spill out and kuch nahi bachne wala
Exactly.
aapke paas. And that is exactly why we need communication, because communication is that thing which keeps you together. Like, what to say, how to say, when to say, and how much to say. All of this consists of communication. And if you ever ask me what is that one thing you want to learn more and more, that would be communication. Trust me, I take classes too from my coaches regarding communication and confidence. The more, the merrier. And the point is, Vaibhav, we're not being taught all of this in school. We
Exactly.
think as Indians that communication मतलब English. अगर आपको English आती है मतलब आप अच्छे communicator हो. No, it is not about that. It is about if your message goes across to someone and it is understood. And half of the times we actually don't understand. We just respond. You know, we're so reactive. We just want to say things. फटाफट हमारी turn आए. and we say it and we complete the conversation there and there.
See,
So
and
I think
it has become, yeah, and it has become very formal. Means, see, I was an engineering student. There was a subject called as communication, but we used to take it very lightly.
that was
We used to,
miscommunication, no?
okay, yeah, but communication skill. I'm just telling you perception क्या है communication skill का कि चलो
Absolutely.
मतलब ये not a very important topic, a very sideline topic, but then now I can recollect that it is creating a problem. If there is communication is not proper, and it is not only about English, as you said properly, it is not only about English. That it contains many
Absolutely.
other things
It's
also.
not at all about English. English is just one language like French. You can be good you can be good in English, you can be good in French, you can be good in German. That has nothing to do with your communication.
Okay.
You know, right, Vaibhav, you deal with numbers. You are the guy who goes to colleges, who everybody knows in colleges. So why
Yes,
is there
yes.
a gap between people graduating and people getting jobs? The gap here is
Lot
that
of
these guys,
difference.
the guys who graduate don't know how to crack the interviews or how to communicate to the interviewer that I have these skills, hire me. And trust me, there are jobs available. You know this, right? You're the guy who
You're
knows
right,
that
jobs.
there are so many jobs available, and people are still crying for jobs in military. Where? Why? Major
Right.
reason is
Jobs are available. Yes, jobs are available, but people cry that jobs are not available because they think that many students, especially in the placements, they say that yes, sir, companies come, companies goes, they don't select me and all those things. They always complain, but I
right.
think they should introspect. I think they should introspect regarding that.
Absolutely. They need to just go to the see what about an interview works. It is all about that what you sell yourself, and how you sell is communication again. What story you tell the interviewer again is all about communication. So I cannot emphasize on how important communication is. Trust me, this could be a subject which has to be taught in schools, in colleges. All this they do teach now, but with schools as well. Yes.
Yes, correct. So now my question to you is: see, I was knowing the importance of communication, but as you told, now it is at a very big level. So, importance of communication, what exactly the communication conceptual clarity is coming. So how one can become confident in communication? Means it is a very natural question. It is importance. Okay, importance. We know everyone knows the importance of communication. क्या है आज? Again, how
Absolutely.
exactly one can become confident in communication? How exactly one can become confident in communication? That is what, according to you, what you will suggest?
Right, right. So I'll give you a little story. There's a professor called Albert Mehrabian. In 1970s, he did a little research on communication, and that communication research is one of the major research we start our communication sessions with. So it is about the communication model called as 738 and 55 percentage. So if you're listening to
See,
me, I would
there
actually like,
was okay. Just one small interruption.
yes,
Can you keep your mobile horizontal? कर सकते हो? Can you keep your mobile horizontal so that थोड़ा frame थोड़ा अच्छा आ जाएगा? Now I'm realizing the difference in the frames. A little
okay,
bit just horizontal थोड़ा सा.
just a
Right.
second, hold on, I could
Yes, yes, of course, of course.
just a second.
So as we are going ahead with Marine Luthra, and very interesting communication is going on, and very new points and tricks and techniques are coming as far as communication is concerned.
Yeah, can you see me
Yeah, now
properly?
horizontal it is there. Yes. Now it is okay. Now it is better, much better, friend.
You could have told me this before, Pepper.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, now we can go ahead.
Okay. So I was telling you about a research which Dr. Albert Mehrabian has done, and that research is one of the famous communication research which was done, and we still start our sessions with that research. So there's a rule called as 738 and 55. So if you guys are listening to me, I would want you to write this down because this is one of the most important, crucial steps to actually understand what the communication is all about. So Dr. Albert Mehrabian said that communication is all about three things, okay? And he divided these three things in percentages according to the importance given. So number one was 7%. 7% is the words. That means what you speak, all about how you speak. So that's what being taught at school, right? Words, reading, writing, comprehension, all of that comes in the 7% of block. The 38% talks about the tone. For example, it doesn't matter what you say, but how you say it. For example, if I want to tell you something, like, hey, I don't like you. There are different ways I can say it, and depending on the ways, you'll actually believe me whether I like you or I don't like you. So that is a tone that the 38%, and the 55% importance was given to non-verbal, that is a body language. And imagine we're not taught all of this in school. We are just taught the 7% important part in school, which is about the words. And guys, it doesn't matter. It doesn't actually matter what you say, but how you say it. So if I have to give you an example on this, Weber, I actually can't see you. Where are you?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, no issues, no issues. You just
हाँ जी.
continue.
So schools are हमें schools में पढ़ाया जाता है कि communication is all about words, what you say, and write it properly, write the letter properly, read the letter properly, or speak the words properly. But it is all about the non-verbal part of it. So the professor Albert Mehrabian said that the importance was all about the non-verbal communication. So when you asked me that, I mean, how can one be confident communicator? It is all about the non-verbal parts of communication. That means the way you say things, the way your body language is, the way your face expressions are when you talk about things. And according to that, people will actually deduce things to your level. They'll actually trust you basis on that. They'll actually take your word if everything is in sync. And अगर आपको आपकी communication strong चाहिए तो ये तीनों को they have to be in sync together. The words you say, जिस tone में आप बोल रहे हो, and the body language you're trying to use. Is it poorly, like आप कैसे बैठे हो, क्या बोल रहे हो? It has to be in congruence. And this is
So,
what we'll be teaching guys in the program we'll be running.
so you
Yeah,
can say lots of communication is made up of lots of other components. You can say
absolutely.
gesture is there, and you just told other parameters. So really means one can become that way. If one is, I can get the vibes that if one can follow whatever you told, they can become a good communication, confident communicator. They can become
Absolutely.
definitely.
It's a
And
science, for
it's a
science.
science. Okay, okay. See, means technique is important. Means most of the time, what is the perception among the student that it is not. It is just a random thing. That चलो communication थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे, dictionary reading and थोड़ा सा practice हो जाएगा. But now I came to know the scientific approach behind that. And one who goes with the science, one who goes with the techniques, definitely it helps them and gives the result. That I'm confident about.
And trust me, the
Definitely. So
successful people know this. They know how to
okay.
actually, and once you learn communication, you can build rapport with people. You can sell them ideas. You can sell them the product you have. You can actually be more of yourself. It all comes down to selling yourself, right? At the end of the day, selling yourself to your boss, selling
Telling
yourself to
us.
your girlfriend, your boyfriend, being a good son to your
Correct,
mother.
correct, correct.
It is,
Right, right, right.
even if you want to crack that date, उसके लिए भी communication चाहिए. जब तक you are not
Correct.
able to crack it, how to say, what to say. So
Okay,
yeah, it all
just now the yes, yes, yes. Just now the context came that you talk about the word rapport building. So, and I have also heard that communication is all about rapport building. So, can you please have some light on this rapport building and communication interrelevance in between them?
right. You have hit the bullseye. So rapport building is all about how you actually build that connection. Like we say, na, kabhi we meet somebody and achanak se there's a connection. You feel that vibe, and sometimes you don't feel that vibe. But in professionally, when we are in a business environment, you cannot afford to not feel the vibe, right? It will be expensive. So in communication, if you follow these norms, like we said, the words, the tone, and the body language, you can actually fake rapport with people who you actually don't like, but you have to work. So sometimes in my business, or in our business, you know how it happens. Sometimes you meet people you actually don't want to work with, but you end up making rapport, or you have to build rapport because that's how the only way it survives. So rapport is all about the connection you have, and with communication techniques, what I earlier said, we can actually build rapport. It's very easy to build rapport with people.
Okay, just correct me if I'm not wrong. एक थोड़ा
Yeah.
I guess I have a misunderstanding about the rapport. रैपो मतलब मैंने ऐसे सुना था, आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट अ रैपो दैट कि आगे वाला पर्सन जिस तरीके से मूवमेंट करेगा उसी तरीके से मूवमेंट हमें करना है। आगे वाला पर्सन सामने आके बात कर रहा है तो हमें भी सामने झुक के बात करना है। आगे वाला पर्सन अगर बार बार पानी पी रहा है तो हमें भी पानी इज इट
Okay,
दिस?
so this
ऐसा है क्या
is
मतलब?
you cannot copy it. Obviously, पकड़े जाओगे आप. But so there's a technique in rapport building. There's a technique called mirroring and matching. Now, what that
मिररिंग एंड
means?
मैचिंग, ओके।
Yeah. So mirroring,
यस।
matching, mirror क्या होता है? You mirror somebody. For example, if I met you for the first time, okay, and हम professionally मिले. Now you are a big client of mine. If I crack you, I'm gonna party hard that day. You know that day. So I actually have to build rapport with you. So I'll try to talk nicely to you. You know, I'll talk. I'll let you speak. फिर अगर आप आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज को मैं मिरर करना शुरू करूंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ऐसे बैठे हो तो मैं धीरे धीरे आपने ऐसे किया तो मैं भी ऐसे आके ऐसे बैठना शुरू कर दूंगी. देन अगर आप पीछे हो गए तो आई ऑल्सो गो पीछे, प्यार से, ऐसे फटाफट नहीं. गुड एक्टिंग स्किल्स होने चाहिए इसके लिए. उससे क्या होगा? सो
अच्छा।
बेसिकली टेक्निक, what they're trying to say in the technique is that our subconscious doesn't know you know कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. It only catches things which are similar. तो द सबकॉन्शियस को क्या लगेगा? ओ रैपो बन रही है बिकॉज ये लोग सेम सेम चीजें कर रहे हैं. ये सिर्फ मतलब
ओके ओके ओके।
yeah, you're trying to build it. You can't just copy everything class उठा के पीने. आप पकड़े जाओगे, ये गलत है. It has to be done very subtly.
बट
It works, but it
बट आई
doesn't.
लाइक योर पॉइंट, या बट आई लाइक द मतलब अगेन आपने फिर से एक बार डीपर लेवल के ऊपर लेके गए बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ सी, मैंने भी मतलब मेरा जो बुक है द ब्लिस नाम का, उसके अंदर एनएलपी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के बारे में बहुत कुछ लिखा है मैंने. एंड नाउ आई एम सरप्राइज टू नो दैट rapport building is somewhere connected to down the line with subconscious mind. That is amazing. It's,
Absolutely. That,
why
that.
the rapport gets built. इसके पीछे का मुझे आज रीजन आई गॉट टू नो दैट सम सबकॉन्शियस माइंड सिग्नल देता है कि ओके आगे वाले पर्सन के साथ केमिस्ट्री आपकी मैच हो रही है.
Yeah,
Okay, I
yeah,
got to know the.
absolutely. I'll tell you why that happens. So there's another science to the mind of ours. When in the ancient times, the brain was the words was developed later in life, right? पहले नॉन वर्बल लैंग्वेज ही होती थी. जब साइन लैंग्वेज और साउंड होता था. So our brain is very used to body language signals and to actually understand what is happening, to get the context of things. Words बहुत लेट है, इसके लिए इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस भी कम्युनिकेशन में बहुत बहुत कम है. So the brain was developed धीरे धीरे धीरे, but the subconscious is still takes very much importance of the non-verbal part of it, because you don't lie, right? For example, if I'm sitting here and I am distracted, I'll automatically look here and there. I can't look into your eye and be distracted. And
Correct, correct.
the mind can pick all of this. So let's not go into deep things. I think that the audience will get confused, but to make it simple,
Okay.
rapport is very much important. And all I'm trying to say is that you can learn how to build rapport. If you don't like your boss, call me. I'll make you like him in very simple way.
Okay. One more thing. I just want to ask. See, curiosity. I can
Please,
get
please.
the curiosity. New things I want to learn from you now.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, see, I just want one thing that how is reading is important to improve your communication.
I'm sorry. Reading is important.
Is reading is important in order to improve your communication skills.
Absolutely. See why would people say reading? Because that's the only way to gain a lot of knowledge in like one tiny book. So if you don't like reading, you can watch things, you can research, but the only way to learn and grow is to read, write, or listen to things, research, learn about yourself, and that's how you grow your communication. Because communication is about words at the end of the day. Words. How will you learn new
And
words
we
if
get
you won't watch or
yes,
read?
yes, yes. And we get a content, I guess. While reading, we get some content which we can always express. कभी मतलब मुझे कभी खुद को नहीं पता चलता कि मैंने ये कहीं पे तो पढ़ा था and अभी मेरे अंदर से ये चीज आ रही है. तो somewhere down the line it really helps.
Absolutely.
Reading really helps.
If you don't like reading, you can always do research, right? You can take your laptop, sit and just research about some topic. Start reading about it, some articles. अरे पूरी book नहीं पढ़नी तो start reading about articles. Because trust me, that is one habit which has helped me crazily in my life. You can have so many different conversations with so many different people once you've read. And readers are
Okay,
leaders,
now
aren't they?
uh, leaders are exactly correctly said by you. Leaders are readers. Okay,
You cannot
great.
deny it.
Now you just talk about yourself. Now, see, now just talking with you that when I met you first time, you were very confident. Okay, and communication was excellent. I still remember our first meeting and the way you were talking into that seminar and openly communication. Guest के साथ आप जिस तरीके से बात कर रहे थे, I was really impressed regarding that. So my question to you is,
Thank
what is
you.
the secret behind your communication and behind your, you can say, confidence? What is your secret? You just tell some of them. I know you might not be, I don't know, you will be telling or not telling, but at least tell some of the secrets. I'm really curious to know, and I'm sure our audience also curious to know about those secrets.
Um, I think that's a compliment. Thank you so much. You're really sweet, Weber. You compliment a lot. I think you do this too with all your guests, or am I really special?
No, 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 not all the guests. See, definitely all the guests have their plus points, but see, compliments and all those things don't. It's not artificial. See, you
Absolutely.
can figure it out from my
I
expressions
trust your
that it
words.
is not artificial. There is called as formal compliments, which is very much पकड़े जाओगे. Formal कोई compliment करे तो पकड़ा जाता है. लेकिन I do compliments very
Trust me,
naturally in a
I
very
have
natural
studied
way.
body language. बहुत कम टाइम लगता है पकड़ने में लोगों को.
Exactly, right. So now just coming back to the point, that secret of
Yeah,
your confidence and communication.
absolutely. I think there's no secret to it. I like to believe that confidence comes from inside, and it's actually a state of being. So if you think you're confident, that's the moment you start to be confident. And maybe my family and my friends used to tell me you're very overconfident. And my only reply to them is, it's better to be overconfident than underconfident because you know
Oh,
it's better to always be little extra than under. And I was an overconfident kid. It was because my dad gave me a lot of permission to do things. He's like, "Jo karna karke aao, I'll handle it," and that gave me opportunities to do things, fail again and again, and come back and do it again. But if I have to put it in in a sentence, I would say that do not seek validation from others, because when you seek validation from others, that's when, if they don't, compliment you, or if they don't say what you want to hear, your confidence drops. So if you want to, if you like a dress, buy it. Do not ask anybody else if they like it on you. If you want to do a
not
course,
asking as well as not asking as well as not thinking also, I guess, not thinking about others
if
much.
you like it, just go ahead with it. That's the authentic you. You, when your authentic self, when you are your authentic self, that's when you're the most confident person. And trust me, I've been in position where I've been so underconfident. That was it. The only reason I was underconfident because I was not being myself. I was copying something. And that was when I
Okay,
decided I just want to be myself. You like me or you don't like me, this is how you get me. So yeah. Be yourself. Do not seek validation. Be prepared for yourself. If you're going somewhere, study, do your research, do your homework, and you'll be confident. That's it. I hope I
okay.
answered your question.
Yes. I got the answer. That being ourselves is the important. Being ourselves. That is the key behind the
And
confidence. And
whatever
of
your
course,
choice is
communication.
there, whatever you are, I'm sure you're good. And you can always improve upon the things which you don't like about yourself, right? I always tell this to my clients. I like to find gold in people because there's always gold underneath you. So yeah.
Exactly. And I can relate your answer. Means I can relate it with myself that why I am so much confident about my entrepreneurship, why I am so much confident about my business, that I am just being myself. Even there were points you talk about your father was supportive. But talking about my family, at some point of time, they were not supportive for my business and entrepreneurship. They just wanted that I was employed in Mahindra and Mahindra. They wanted to continue my job, but I just be myself. And now when my stage has came, lots of students, lots of followers, training programs are going on nicely. some products
And
are
to
there,
share
books are
about your
there,
confidence now.
shares online website is there. So now they are realizing कि okay means ये ठीक है मतलब so my son has
Rachel
done
is up
something good.
excited.
Okay. And okay, now so what do you think, will it help everyone, or will it whatever strategies you brief, whatever trailer we saw today, will it help only students, or will it help professionals? What is the difference between approach of students and professionals? What should be the difference? We just throw a light on this. Will it help everyone in that
See, this
case?
is a subject which has no boundaries. I am still learning about communication. I die to learn something new about this subject, about confidence. And communication is something we all need, right? Whether you're an engineer, whether you are in a civil servant service business,
Correct.
or you have your own business, you are just starting your business, you're in a corporate career, you will actually have to communicate at the end of the day, right? And if you learn to communicate how to do it, that's the whole point, right? You can crack it. It doesn't have, it's not a subject which is, age bounded or subject or course bounded. No, no, no. You can learn it at whatever age you want. The more the better. Yeah.
Correct. Of course, means it is going to help everyone definitely. So now I think most of the answers, all the answers you just gave the perfect answers, and really answers were means I can say that कि answers का मतलब satisfaction भी हो रहा है और satisfaction है भी नहीं, because I personally feeling to go into the deeper and deeper and deeper and keep on asking you more and more and more questions about it. ठीक है?
We'll still
Okay.
one more, Raghav. Do not worry.
Yes.
I have so many
Yes.
questions
Yeah,
for you
definitely.
too.
Definitely. See, sometimes what happens, Samrin, sometimes we are so busy in our life that कि कभी-कभी ऐसे questions या at such level communication sometimes होता भी नहीं है, right?
Absolutely.
So now I'm definitely sure whoever the audiences are listening to our program, definitely see, I can relate with them. Like
Yeah.
me, there are lots of questions, lots of hunger to learn from you. And for that, guys, I will be telling you that I have shared the link at this chat box, and you just
Right.
talk about more about the in-depth training program, Amreen, little bit.
Sure. So, Weber and I, we've partnered up with a little program we will be running on confident communication. It's going to be a live personalized program. It will be a live personalized program for 4 days, and it will be led by me. And trust me, you'll be learning techniques and tricks scientifically, which actually works. And these are the things which we actually took from successful people, and we're trying to model them and make it work for all of us. Trust me, if you learn communication, this is one skill that you need to crack it before you start your own subject, your own life, business, or wherever you want to hop in. So if you're interested, there's a registration link below. The comment section is open for questions. Please let me know. You can find me on social media sites. It's Amreen Luthra,
Yes,
Amreen.Luthra. You can
yes.
type it on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. My team will always get back to you within an hour's time.
Exactly.
And it was my pleasure to be on the show, Pepper. Trust me, it was really nice. Thank you. I'm really looking forward to
Okay.
all the sessions we're going to have every Sunday. Super excited.
Yes, of course. Definitely, Amreen, you have lots of other topics also, as you told me. Definitely, every Sunday skills our program, you will be the frequent visitor because lots of things to learn from you. And it is good to see you, good to hear from you, and you are very presentable. So we don't understand how the time flows. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
so definitely, my clients, whoever is watching this program, you can find the link in the chat box, and you can register yourself on that link. Whatever you can, we will be updating you about our upcoming training programs via if you're registering on this link. And definitely see you at next Sunday. And there are you can visit the website also, shareskillsonline.com, where you can find my book, where you can find my audiobook, which was published last Sunday. You can find some training programs. Amreen madam's video course is also going to come at our website, so it is really a pleasure to have her course on my website, on our website, Share Skills Online. And in that course, she is going to give many exclusive things. Means she told me that I am going to give many exclusive things which generally I don't talk in public. Those things we are going to give in that video course. So and video course as well as her live course, which is going to happen. So again, it is my pleasure.
It's happening next week,
So
right? From next weekend? Starting from next
what?
weekend, no? The course?
Generally, yeah, after 7 to 8 days, we will be starting because some other audiences, I will be circulating this clip, circulating this communication in us to my students on our YouTube channel and all. So people will be registering and all those things. So around 7 to 8 days, you can consider 7 to 8 days gap. You can get back to us. You can
You can
talk
get
to
back
ma'am
to us
directly.
and
No problem.
whoever is going to take over then.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's it. So let's sign off, Amreen.
Yes, 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 yes. Thank you,
Okay,
Weber.
so it was nice having you. It is my pleasure to have you on this platform, and
Mine
the
too.
program was really very nice. And thank you very much.
Thank you,
Okay,
Weber. I
okay,
hope to
okay,
see you
okay.
all soon, guys. Good evening.
Yes, 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 yes,
Bye.
yes.